Hi there, my name is Michael Neff. I'm the founder and director of Gears Sports, and this video is about the face angle at the mid-back position. Okay, so as you take the club to the mid-back position, we're referring to the face angle here. Okay, so the face angle basically, it's only going to flag, you're only going to see a flag if the face is severely closed or if it's severely open. Those two things are going to cause a lot of problems for us if the club face is too open. But tour players basically keep it pretty neutral. Some are slightly closed, some are a little bit more open, some are in here. And you can basically accomplish everything you would like to accomplish as long as the face is in this reasonable range here. But the drill for this, if your club face is super open and you can see the face of the club's pointing up, is you're going to simply feel like your left knuckle turns down for a right-handed player, like your left hand's going to twist down, and it'll probably feel like the club face is really pointing straight down. Your right hand's going to feel almost like it's on top of it. Okay, so the drill is going to be at mid-back. Okay, we want the shaft pointing straight to the target and away from the target. We don't want it way inside here or way out here. So if the club face is really shut and you're getting this alarm, you'll feel like that club face kind of rolls open, and you're just going to do a lot of mirror work here to get this fixed. Okay. You're going to feel like if you're taking it back really shut, you're going to feel like you roll the face open a little bit and get it to more neutral. If you're taking it back really open, you're going to feel like the club face stays down and the right hand stays on top and the left hand turns under. So getting yourself in a really good position at the mid-back with the face angle is really critical to making sure that we get the swing started off at on the right path. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed that.